In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to GoDaddy Domain 2026. Full tutorial. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to the Google account you want to use. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. In the Settings menu, switch to the Accounts and Import tab. We'll set up sending first, so under Send Mail As, choose Add Another Email Address. In the window that appears, type the display name you want recipients to see and enter your GoDaddy-based email address that uses your domain. Continue and follow the prompts to verify ownership. Gmail may send a code to that address, and it may ask for SMTP details. If it does, use the server that matches your GoDaddy plan and choose a secure connection. GoDaddy Workspace typically uses a secure server hostname, while Microsoft 365 plans use an Office 365 hostname. Finish verification so Gmail can send mail as your domain. Next, let's bring your GoDaddy inbox into Gmail. Still on the Accounts and Import tab, find Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. Enter your full domain email address and click Next. When prompted, enter your GoDaddy mailbox username and password. If Gmail asks you to enter incoming mail settings manually, use imap.secureserver.net or outlook.office365.com. Depending on which GoDaddy email service you're on, choose the secure port and encryption offered in the prompt. If you see PUPI instead of IMAP, that's okay. Select the GoDaddy POP server shown by Gmail or GoDaddy's help page and keep messages on the server if you want to access them elsewhere. Once both sending and checking are set up, Gmail will show your domain address in Send Mail As and will list the new account under Check Mail from Other Accounts. Give it a moment to start fetching, then send yourself a quick test from another address and reply using the From menu in Gmail to confirm you can both send and receive with your domain. Couple of quick tips to avoid hiccups. Make sure the mailbox is active in your GoDaddy account. Double check your password if you get an authentication error, and confirm you picked the server that matches your plan, Secure Server for Legacy Workspace or Office 365 for Microsoft 365. That's it. You've connected your GoDaddy domain email to Gmail so you can manage everything from one inbox.